Hi, it's Dr. Saab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the sound settings for a Lexus. This video is perfect if you have this style of screen in your car. Today's video actually came from a question that was raised from my brother-in-law, and he basically has a Lexus and he was complaining that the sound was rubbish in his car, and I was like, that doesn't sound right, because I actually had a Toyota that was a 2020 or 2019 RAV4, and the speakers on that, the standard speakers, were amazing. So I was expecting the Lexus to be as good. So what I guessed was the sound settings were probably not set. So that's where I thought I'll help him out. Now, I really struggled to actually change the settings for the sound. I could not find it. I tried to Google it. I tried to watch a YouTube video on it, and there wasn't anything. So what I thought was, I'll just make this video. Hopefully this video helps you. Now, to change the sound settings, all you do is go to the audio symbol. Next, click on sources. Now I'm going to change the sound settings for FM radio. Next, you're going to touch the three dots on the top right corner. Now you've got the option of sound. Just give that a click. Now you can change the settings of the treble, the mid and the bass by just selecting the plus or the minus buttons. To save this information, just click on FM or the icons on the right hand side. Now you will need to change the settings of the other sources. So if I want to change the settings of the DAB, select DAB. Again, select the three dots on the top right corner, select sound. Again, you can use the plus or the minus to change the settings of the treble, the mid and the bass. To save the settings, just click on the top left corner or the icons on the right hand side. You will find that every source will have its own saved sound settings. So DAB sound settings could be completely different to FM radio. Let me know in the comments if you would prefer to just have one setting or different settings for each sources. You can change the fader and the balance of the speakers. Now on the left side of the screen you can see seats, arrows and a dot. If you select the arrows, that allows you to change where the sound comes from. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know if there's any comments, and if you have any questions in regards to this car, put it in the comments and I'll try and get hold of a Lexus in the near future, hopefully, if there's plenty of questions and comments on that. Please like this video. Please subscribe, as it really helps me out and it'll help grow the channel, and then I can create even more free content. Also, if you want to donate to the channel, please hit the super thanks button. You can donate to the channel and that'll really help me out as well. Thanks for watching.